Ladies and gentlemen, we're here this afternoon for a very special occasion. In today's world, we've come to realize some of the things we thought were so important are not. This is one of those things, the marriage ceremony. The other thing is generators.
Today I get to marry you, the love of my life, and I couldn't be more excited about it. The last 7 years have been quite the journey with many highs and lows, and I have cherished every second of it.
I'm dying. We read so much of the same stuff.
Wow, look at that beautiful young lady. Aren't you beautiful? Oh.
What do you think?
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered together here in the sight of God and in the presence of these witnesses to join together this man and this woman in holy matrimony, which is an honorable estate, instituted of God and signifying unto us the mystical union which exists between Christ and his church.
Are you gonna cry?
No. What, it's 7 years? That's 7 years.
I just almost cried.
It is therefore not to be entered into lightly, but reverently, discreetly, and in the fear of God.
May you have the love only two can know. May you go where only two as one may go. May the sun rise and set in your bonded hearts, and the moon never find you too long apart. May you cherish each other's dreams as your own, and turn stumbling blocks into stepping stones. May you brave life's mountains and miles together. May there be no storm your love cannot weather. May you always be lovers and allies and friends. May your soul's conversations never end. May you capture on earth what's in heaven above. May your hearts know the rapture of an uncommon love.
I, Alexander Bridges Martin, take thee, Alexandra Nicole Boudreaux, to be my wedded wife.
I, Alexandra Nicole Boudreaux, take thee, Alexander Bridges Martin, to be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold,
From this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
according to God's holy ordinance, and thereto I pledge thee my faith.
And thereto I pledge thee my faith.
Everybody have a good time, and let's party. Laissez le bon temps rouler, as we say in Louisiana. Let's toast. Cheers. All right.
For as much as Alex and Alex is considered together in holy wedlock, and have witnessed the same before God and this company, and have pledged their faith to each other, and have declared the same by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings, I now pronounce that they are husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Alex Martin.